When it comes to lighting, the Q6 e-tron features a range of highlights and innovations. For the first time, our Matrix LED headlamp is equipped with a multi-pixel LED array. So the 61 segments are able to change the digital light signatures in the daytime running light, next to dynamic sequences for leaving or coming home. A real USP is the active digital light signature, which makes Vorsprung durch Technik visible to everybody. So what is this? We use our light sources to create a more vivid impression. So individual elements are dimming up and dimming down. So this is a unique experience you never had before. The customer for the first time can freely select in the MMI or in the My Audi app in the category of light technology the light signature they prefer. So you have the chance to get light signatures and new functions on demand. The second generation of digital OLED enables a complete new degree of digital light design. So while maintaining perfect contrast ratio, homogeneity, flat design, so it's really only that flat, we are heavily evolving the topic of segmentation. So what you can see here are the individual segments of the second generation are a factor of 10 more than it has been in the first generation. As the only car manufacturer, we systematically and really strategically evolve the technology to contribute to road safety. And this application is called communication lighting. So now taking information the car already has from the Audi Connect navigation and infotainment, we can now display this information to our surroundings by this digital light signature. So while following the car, I get information there might be a tricky situation in front of me, like a car accident or traffic jam. Or while automated parking is activated in the car, the light signature in tail lighting is switching to a dedicated digital light signature to really display this automated process. So this means the next step to car-to-X communication.